A ghazal is a love poem. It's an ode of love. It's full of passion, separation, pain, and togetherness. So it's a poetic expression of both the aspects of love. The love that deals with the pain of loss and separation, and the love that is the beauty of love, of being together. It's to do with you, the self, to the subject. Now, the subject could be your mehboob, your lover, or it could be the nature or the environment in which you are, the abo hawa, or it could be your nation. Tu hi meri arzu, tu hi meri justaju. You are my pride, you are my prestige, you are my desire for a country. It could be the God Almighty. So the love with a mehboob, mere mehboob tujhe meri mohabbat ki kasam. You vow to be with me, why are you not? Or the nature, abo hawa, ye hawa, ye raat, ye chandni. Teri justaju pe sab nisar hai, meaning I am totally dedicated to you and the environment. Let this connection between me and the environment always be with us. So it's about love and a very strong feeling of love. And when that love is not with you, that separation or pain is excruciating, beautifully delved into poetry. That's Ghazal.